Some math problems look harmless. They seem so simple that people stop paying attention. And that's exactly when mistakes happen. Today, we're going to do 2 examples. The first one is easy, very easy. But it teaches a rule that almost everyone ignores. Then, we'll level up to a harder expression. And if you understand the first example correctly, you'll be able to solve the second one without guessing. This is not about memorizing. This is about structure. Let's start. 2 times 1 plus 1 divided by 2. At first glance, this doesn't look difficult. Most people immediately think, just solve inside the parentheses. And that's true. But the problem is how they solve it. Here's the mistake. People look inside the parentheses and go left to right too early. They do this. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then divide by 2. That gives 1. Then multiply by 2. Final answer, 2. Sounds reasonable, but it breaks PEMDAS. PEMDAS does not mean go left to right no matter what. It means inside parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. And multiplication and division share the same priority. Addition and subtraction also share the same priority. The order matters. Let's solve it properly. The expression is 2 times 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Inside the parentheses, division comes before addition. So first, 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. Now the expression becomes 2 times 1 plus 0.5. Now solve inside the parentheses. 1 plus 0.5 equals 1.5. Now multiply by 2. 2 times 1.5 equals 3. And that's the correct answer, not 2. The difference came from respecting the order. Now, let's make things harder. Because once negatives enter the picture, people stop trusting themselves. And this next expression catches a lot of people. Negative 2 times 11 minus 33 divided by 11 times 3. This one looks scary. A negative number, division, multiplication, parentheses. This is where people either panic or rush. Both lead to mistakes. Here's the common mistake. People see 11 minus 33 divided by 11 times 3. And they immediately subtract first. They do 11 minus 33 equals negative 22. Then divide by 11, then multiply by 3. That gives a completely wrong path. Why? Because subtraction is not allowed yet. PEMDAS still applies. Let's slow down. We stay inside the parentheses. The expression is 11 minus 33 divided by 11 times 3. We cannot subtract yet. Division and multiplication come first. And because they share the same priority, we go left to right. 33 divided by 11 equals 3. Now the expression becomes 11 minus 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Now the expression becomes 11 minus 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. So the value inside the parentheses is 2. Now multiply by negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 equals negative 4. And that's the correct answer. Notice something important. The second problem only felt difficult because it had more symbols. But the rules never changed. PEMDAS doesn't become different when the math looks harder. Same structure, same logic, same order. That's what makes math reliable. If this made PEMDAS finally click, subscribe to Math Algo, because the goal here is not memorizing tricks. The goal is understanding structure. And once you understand structure, math stops looking random. Watch the next PEMDAS breakdown and train your brain to stop guessing.